just fine tonight. More than 400 runners made their way through the streets of Buffalo to carry on a life-saving mission. The first elephant run kicked off on Lincoln Parkway this morning. All proceeds will go to the Marcina Lorenzo Memorial Fund, which will help college-bound heart transplant recipients follow their dreams. Marcina was a City Honors graduate who underwent 2 transplants at age 13 and 23. She passed away after her second surgery in 2005.
A North Buffalo family says that their daughter received life through organ donation, and now they want to give somebody else an education in her memory. Marcena Lozano was born with a congenital heart defect. 2 heart transplants kept her alive until she was 25 years old when she died of complications. Back in May, Marcena's parents organized the Elephant Run to raise money for a scholarship fund. They've raised $30,000 and are now looking to give the scholarships away. The only requirement is that the student be somebody who has received an organ transplant.
We wanted to continue Marcena's driving spirit and to be able to help someone who was in a position that she was in. One of her main goals was to finish school.
We know the struggles that come with that for the student and the family, financially, and all of the obstacles that have to be overcome by the student.
Now, if you know somebody who is eligible for the scholarship, you can find a link to the application site on our website at